Hello, welcome back to Family Adventures. In this video we're going to show you a quick and easy way of how to make slime. We'll show you the easy to get ingredients you'll need and exactly how to do it. You won't believe how easy it is. Okay, so here's what we need. Some PVA glue, shaving foam, eyewash. It doesn't really matter what brand, but the ingredient you're looking for is sodium borate. That's basically it for making slime. We're going to add a few more ingredients to make it interesting. We've got some glitter and some food colouring. And of course, something to mix it in. It won't stain your bowl, but it's best not to tell your wife if you're using a good one. Okay, down to business. Put a good squirt of PVA in the bowl. And then a big squirt of shaving foam. Mix it together. Add your bling ingredients. I'm going for some blue colouring, just a few drops. And a bit of red glitter. Give it a good mix up. Okay, now we're ready for the magic ingredients. You only need to add a few drops to the mix. Here, I'm probably using about half a teaspoon. Give it another good mix and you'll very quickly feel it get firm and sticky. Once it's kind of stuck together as one lump, take it out of the bowl and work it between your hands. You'll feel it get firm, stretchy, and become less sticky. And there we have it, making slime the easy way. If you find your slime is still a bit sticky, add a few more drops of eyewash. And if you find it's firm and it easily snaps, you've probably added a bit too much eyewash. So, I hope you've enjoyed our easy slime tutorial. If you have, give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment below telling us what you added to yours. Next time we'll be making magnetic monster slime. So check out the description below for the video. Bye bye.
If you like the video, if you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe by clicking this button or clicking the button below. You also can click the pictures above for more family adventures. Bye bye!